Hello YouTube. I wanted to make an update on yesterday's video where Christina, my daughter, tried to make her first campfire and didn't succeed. Well, they learned how to build the campfire from the bottom up and how to collect just the right kindling and firewood. We tried again today and the weather is much more mild, not so much wind, and well, she succeeded. And it was raining all morning. We didn't think we would get out here today, so all the wood is kind of moist, and actually it's pretty wet. But she managed to build a campfire and get it going. And the mail brought my updated kitchen gear today. A zebra pot with hot chocolate in it, and a simple aluminium kettle for my coffee. I just wanted to point out, as I said yesterday, don't think it's that easy making a campfire. If you're into this, or if you're new to all this bushcrafting and stuff, try it out. You can't imagine or read how to do it. You have to try it. Try out different methods, different kinds of woods, how to start a fire. It's the trying, the doing, that makes all the difference. The girls are out collecting more firewood, and when they come back, we'll have some hot chocolate, and I'll put over my coffee in my updated kitchen set, cooking set. Oh, and Christina didn't succeed yesterday with an ordinary big lighter, so today I found my very old Imco Triplex Stormlighter from Austria. It's well, when using a lighter, this is my absolute favorite. It's cheap, it's rugged. This is, well, I don't know, 2 generations old. You can, when you light it, you can pull this out for lighting a fire. Hej Tøser! Skal vi have noget kakao?
Hvad snakker du med?
Nej, med kamera. Skal vi have noget varmt chokolade? Godt! So there you have it. Another great afternoon outside. I intentionally didn't make a review of my new gear, as it is new. I want to try it out a few months before I do any of that sorts. A short comment on this one though. I could, of course, if I could only bring one cooking item, I could use this for making coffee, no problem. But I had one of these, the Trangia ones, and they are really great for making coffee, and I do like my coffee. So, and this one was, it's not a Trangia, so it was very cheap. So I bought it, and I think I'm going to be very happy about it. So, if you do 1 or 2 day camping or hiking, bushcrafting, and you do love coffee, bring one of these. It's much easier. It's simply easier, and you can make your coffee while you're making dinner at the same time. It's very important for me that the kids think that this is fun. Hopefully some of it will stick, and they will once in a while choose this instead of, well, I don't know, Facebook, YouTube, just drink the rest of my coffee and I'll join the kids inside.